Green Bulls, Red Bears, Lincoln Mitchell. Let's get into this trade. We want to sell this one right here. Run 50 on it. I wanted to go back first. I needed to go back first on me. I wanted to go straight back first. I don't want it to go down yet. I want to go straight back. It don't look like it's doing that, is it? Yeah, I wanted to go back up first. You son of a gun. I wanted to tap that line right there. Then we'll take this trade down. Going back up there, tap that line right there, 56, and we'll take this down to about 50. 56 to 43. It should get up here. Let's see, can we just get it to tap it? We're going to take this one down. Get to tap that line. That's all we wanted to do. Tapping that line to where I want it to yet. Still looks good. To get to that line, I wanted to get to that line right there. First sign of reversal on this trade, we're in it. The first sign. First time we see anything that shows us a reversal, we're in it. There we go. Probably as good as I might get it. Ah, shit. I was hoping that it hit it. There. I'm taking it. I took it down. Taking it down right there. That's the line we want. We just snipe these little pips. I don't even know my thing is at. There we go. Right here. Getting it ready to get out. Once it get down here, once it get right there, we're out of that trade. Got to give us, I think, about 2 pips or somewhere up there. Somewhere in that vicinity. And this is just a little scalping technique. You got to learn your price actions. You got to learn your setups. If you ever get into trades like this that's kind of going sideways and they all kind of fighting each other a little bit, they're really not where you want them to be at. The first thing you need to do on these is set a tight stop loss. Set as tight as possible. Because when you got an unpredictable trade, you don't want to be in an unpredictable trade. Do you see what I'm saying? Stay with what you want. This trade might take a little longer than I'm anticipating, but it's still good. But on a 15-minute, if this one closes, I'm hoping it don't get past this line on the 15 minutes. But if it does get past this line and closes above this right here, and then it goes that, I'm out of that trade regardless. I'm not even going to wait around, because what's going to end up happening if that happens is going to feed into the rest of them to push them up. It's going to feed into them. We're still in that trade. I didn't close nothing out or nothing. I'm going to let it go on a profit, just a little scalping technique. But just a little bit more, and we're in the profit. Now, y'all seen me drop down to these lower time frames. Don't go to these lower time frames. There we go. Got it. That's how you do it. Don't drop down to these lower time frames. And the reason why you don't want to do that is because they will confuse you and they will stress you the hell out. Trust me, and my wife have been through it 800 times. Do not do it. Do not do it. That was 2 pip. That was just a 2 pip bump right there. We just snatched out. It should still get down. My price target is what did we say, Deborah? Was it 49? 48. 48 was my target on this. I got out. When I'm recording, I just kind of like to show people profitable trades. I really don't really care about the big amount of money unless I'm not recording. Because when I'm recording, there's so much you got to do, and you're paying attention to this, you're paying attention to that. You're trying to make sure you're talking right. So a lot of times I just hate showing faulty trades when I am recording. And don't put 50 cents. You can if you want to. I just put 50 cents on there. It doesn't matter. We doubled what we went into it, so that's cool. What we set out to do. But make sure you start knowing your setups. And I know somebody gonna say, "Well, how did you see that?" It just takes time. I mean, me and my wife, she's a better trader than I am, but we both can actually eyeball certain things when the market is setting up. As you can tell, we done ate this one up already twice today. This one, I got hurt real bad on it. I went for this one to go down, and when it snatched down, it snapped back up. And when I hit the button, that's the only thing I hate about volatile. When it's volatile, going like this, once I went for this to go down, and it did, it shot down. And when it shot down, I hit close, and it shot back up. And I got kind of, you know, that little lag. We don't have that high frequency trading here, so forth. So, but, you know, good successful trade. Make sure you know your price targets, know what you're doing, know how you do it. Best wishes to all y'all. Lincoln Mitchell, Green Bulls, Red Bears. Signing off.